Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all you are fine and studying well. I am Samir, and today I am going to teach you Social Science Standard 7, Chapter number 9, India Social Life. In this chapter, you are going to learn about the social life of Western India, the social life of North India, the social life of South India, and the social life of East India. So basically, according to this chapter, we have to divide India into four parts. The first part is Western India, the second part is North India, then East India, then South India. According to this four part, the major states divided into the four directions. So India is a vast country in the continent of Asia. It is a country of bewilderingly great diversities. Nowhere on the earth does humanity present itself in such a dazing, creative burst of culture and religion, race and tongues. Home to ancient Indus Valley civilization and the region of historic trade routes and the vast empire, the Indian subcontinent has been identified with its commercial and cultural wealth for much of its long history. High mountain ranges, vast seas, large river irrigated lands, countless rivers and streams, dark forest, sandy deserts, all this have adorned India with an exceptional diversity. Among the people, there are numerous races, religions, languages, and dialects. If we go 12 કિલોમીટર્સ यहाँ पे भी ગુજરાતીમાં એક કહેવત है कि 12 ગાંવે बोली बदलाय છે यानी 12 किलोमीटर बोली चेंज होती है। तो यहाँ पे डायलेक्ट्स में भी आपको डाइवर्सिटीज देखने को मिलती है। इन कोर्स ऑफ टाइम दे वो देमसेल्फ इनटू द इंटीग्रेट फैब्रिक ऑफ इंडियाज सोशल लाइफ। However, the real strength of Indian culture lies in its basic unity, vigor, and ability to contain an amazing diversity within itself. In this country, there are people who belong to opposite school of thought. Yet, it is this diversity that binds one Indian with another, and the concept of one basic culture and one nation has continued to thrive even today. Still, we have diversity. We have gained a lot of from diversity, and still we unite in India. So now let's see one video about the Indian social life.
And women put on salwar kameez in every state. India can be divided into 4 zones according to lifestyle: Western India, Northern India, Southern India, and Eastern India. Now we shall learn about the lifestyle in respective regions. Lifestyle Western India. Major states of Western India are Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and Goa. It also includes union territories of Diu Daman, Dadra, and Nagar Haveli. Food. Staple food in Rajasthan is millet and dal bati. Marwadi kachori of Rajasthan is a famous item in breakfast. Rotli bhakri, vegetables, dal and rice, khichdi and kadhi are main items in the food of Gujarati people. Khaman and ghantia are more preferred as savory item. Maharashtrians prefer sev usal. People living along the sea coasts of Gujarat, Maharashtra and Goa eat mainly rice and fish. Like to know, Gujaratis are basically traders as they are required to go to distant places for trading. So durable items for breakfast like thepla, ganthia, dry kachori, khakro and sukri are more common among them. Dress. Rajasthan is a dry and desert area. Hence, there is less diversity in vegetation. This defect is overcome by them through colorful dresses. Men generally wear dhoti, angarakhu and colorful headgear or pagadi, while women put on sari, petticoat and blouse. Traditional dressing of Gujarat. Men put on dhoti, kurta, white cap or headgear turban on head, while women put on sari, petticoat and blouse. Traditional dress of men in Maharashtra is dhoti and pahiran and a cap or headgear on the head. Women wear sari in Maharashtrian way. The traditional dress in Madhya Pradesh is similar to that of the neighboring states of Gujarat and Maharashtra. In Goa also, men wear dhoti and pahiran and women wear sari and blouse. However, a strong western impact is seen in the dresses in Goa. Thus, every region has its own characteristics in their dresses. Dwelling. There is less rainfall in Rajasthan due to deserts, so most of the houses have flat top. Rural people live in the houses made of grass and soil. People in Gujarat live in modern types of buildings made from brick cement. In Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Goa also, urban people live in well laid out houses with many modern amenities. In every state, the forest dwellers living in forests or mountainous area stay in scattered huts. Roofs of the buildings in Konkan, which receives heavy rainfall, are slant. Like to know. Dwellings in Kutch, Gujarat are known as bhunga. These bhungas were least damaged during the earthquake of 26th January 2001. Language. Rajasthani people mainly speak Hindi, while Marwadi language is spoken in Marwad. Gujarati is the main language of people in Gujarat. Kutchi dialect is spoken in Kutch. Hindi is main language in Madhya Pradesh. Marathi and Konkani are also languages spoken in Maharashtra and Goa respectively. Regional dialects are spoken according to the area of respective states. Festivals and holy days. Kalidas, the great poet, has said that human beings are fond of festivals. Indians celebrate many festivals and holy days. Rajasthan has peculiar type of folk songs and folk dances. Festivals of Holi and Gangor are celebrated with great pomp. Ghummar, Kutchi Godi and Kalbelia are very famous folk dances of Rajasthan. Gujarat is world famous for her Ras Garba. Maharashtra celebrates Ganesh Chaturthi festival with great pomp. Besides, its Lavani dance is also very famous. In Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh, the Shivratri is celebrated with much enthusiasm. People in Western India celebrate festivals like Diwali, Navratri, Shivratri, Dasera, Ganesh Chaturthi, Eid, Muharram, Christmas, Mahavir Jayanti, Pateti, Cheti Chand, Buddha Jayanti, etc. Fairs. Pushkar in Rajasthan and Siddhpur in Gujarat are known for their camel trade on Kartik Purnima full moon day. A fair is conducted for trading donkeys at Vautha of Dholka Taluka in Gujarat. Other famous fairs in Gujarat are Tarnetar Fair near Thangad, Bhavnath Fair in Junagadh, and Dang Darbar Fair in Dangs. Ujjain in Madhya Pradesh and Nasik in Maharashtra are famous for holding Ardha Kumbh Fair and Goa for carnivals. Like to know. In the Adhik or additional Bhadarvo month.
So guys, I hope you noticed all these things about the social life of the Western India. Now let's see and read again from this chapter. You have already studied about the social life of Gujarat, and since Gujarat lies to the west of India, let us begin with the social life of the people of the west. Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Daman and Diu, Dadra Nagar Haveli lies in the west of India. Despite having the extensive coastline, the cuisine of Gujarat is primarily vegetarian cuisine. Here cuisine means परंपरागत थाली, गुजराती थाली जिसे बोलते हैं, जो खाना खाते हैं वो। तो यहाँ पे दी गई है फूड ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ द वेस्ट इंडिया मोस्टली। द staple diet of the people includes Karelas, pulses, vegetables, clarified butter, ghee, milk, buttermilk, butter, etc. In Gujarat, Saurashtra, Kathiawadi meals and dal bati are very popular. Due to its vast coastline, people living in the Western India consume eggs, fish, etc. Now, what is the dress of Western Indian people? Simply, men wear a dhoti, Jodhpuri trousers, chaniyo paijamas, loose from the waist to the tie and tight from things to the ankle, and a short plaited frock shirt is known as angarkhu or kurta. They also carry a stole, khesh, जिसे शोल्डर पर डालते हैं. On their shoulder, women wear sari. In Rajasthan, men wear dhoti and a short plaited frock shirt named angarkhu. Women wear colorful plaited ankle length skirts, means ghagra, and long waist length blouses women wear. In Maharashtra, women wear a 9-yard divided shari, nauri kachuto, named as. So you have to write and notice in your notebook what is the dress of Maharashtrian people and what is the dress of Gujarati and Rajasthani people. Today, in developing cities, men wear trousers and shirt, while women wear salwar kameez or trousers. People of rural areas and tribals dress according to their region they live in. आज के ज़माने में सोसाइटी बदल रही है, तो यहाँ पे जो ड्रेस है वो भी चेंज हो रहे हैं और सब ने चेंज किया है, वेस्टर्न टाइप हमने अपनाया है। और समाज में ऐसी रूरल एरिया में भी जैसा क्षेत्र होगा वैसे लोग अभी रहने लगे हैं। द हाउसेस आर मेड ऑफ ब्रिक्स, स्टोन एंड सीमेंट. Tribals of forest and hilly areas live in huts made of bamboo and take branches scattered over area they live in. Suppose to ask in your exam, what kind of tribal people live in? So you have to answer. Tribals of the forest and hilly areas live in huts made bamboo and thick branches scattered over the area they live in. In the village of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, the houses are made of sand, stone, brick and cement. Here the picture is given below. This is the first picture is Maharashtrian people, the second is Rajasthani people. This is the modern residence and the residence of the forest area. Here you can see that the house is made on the hill area. So language. Gujarati people speak Gujarati language, Maharashtrian people speak Marathi language, Goa people speak Konkani language, Rajasthani people speak Rajasthani and Hindi both. पीपल यूज लोकल डायलेक्ट्स इन फॉरेस्ट एंड ट्राइबल एरियाज। जो लोग जंगल में और आदिवासी क्षेत्र में रहते हैं, ट्राइबल क्षेत्र में रहते हैं, वो लोग अपनी उनकी खुद की डायलेक्ट्स यानी कि बोली होती है वो बोलते हैं। पीपल इन इंडिया एंजॉय फेस्टिवल्स, डिफरेंट फेस्टिवल्स आर सेलिब्रेटेड हियर। The Ras and Garba of Gujarat are very popular all over the world. The folk song and dances of Rajasthan are different, especially the Ghumar dance. The Lavani of Maharashtra is also famed. The fairs of Tarnetar and Bhavnath and Samlaji, Dang Darbar are well known fairs. Festivals like Diwali, Ganesh Chaturthi, Eid, Christmas, etc. are celebrated together by one and all. Supposed to ask in your exam which festivals are together by one and all. So Diwali, Ganesh Chaturthi, Eid, Christmas, etc. are celebrated together by one and all. This is the folk music of Rajasthan and this is Garba. You all know about that. So now let's see the social life of the people of North India. Now let's see a video about the North India.
North India. North India includes the states of Punjab, Haryana, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Delhi, etc. Punjab is a land of 5 rivers. Due to its natural beauty, Jammu Kashmir is considered to be the heaven of the earth. Uttarakhand is a mountainous region and also known as Devbhoomi. Himachal Pradesh is also a mountainous state. Uttar Pradesh is a part of the fertile plain of Ganga Yamuna. Delhi is the national capital of India. Food. Wheat is the staple food in Punjab and Haryana. Punjabi people use tandoori roll made from wheat and a variety of parathas very frequently. Paneer-based mixed vegetables is a special choice of Punjabis. Lassi is a well-known drink in Punjab. Main food of people from Jammu Kashmir is rice, meat and fish. Roti, dal and rice is the staple food of people in Uttar Pradesh. Dressing. The dress which Punjabis and Haryanvis put on is known as Punjabi dress. Women put on salwar and kameez. Men also wear loose shirt or jhabbo and salwar. Men also put on Punjabi styled headgear. Some people also wear embroidered jacket over the loose shirt. Kashmiri people wear Kashmiri dress and during winter they put on clothes covering entire body. The dress in Himachal and Uttarakhand is similar to that of Jammu Kashmir. Gents put on cap and ladies wear scarf on the head. People in Uttar Pradesh wear dhoti and pahiran, entire scarf on the head. Ladies wear sari, petticoat and blouse. Dwelling. Punjab and Haryana get less rainfall, so the buildings there have flat rooftops. Urban people live in the buildings made of bricks and cement. Wood is used more in the construction of houses in Jammu Kashmir. In Himachal and Uttarakhand, people live in 2-storied buildings. Animals are kept in the ground floor so that their heat keeps the wooden first floor warmer. Such buildings are useful during snowfall. The roofs are slopy. Smooth rocks are used as roof tiles so that the snow on the rooftops easily slides down. In Uttar Pradesh, urban people live in houses made from bricks and cement. Language. Punjabi people speak Punjabi language and Haryanvis speak Haryani language. People in Uttar Pradesh use Hindi and Urdu languages. Urdu is major language in Jammu Kashmir. Kashmiri and Dongri languages are also spoken there. Besides Hindi, Garhwali and Kumaon dialects are also spoken in Uttarakhand. The state language of Himachal Pradesh is Pahari. Moreover, local dialects are also spoken in remote area of each state. Festivals and holy days. Baisakhi and Lahiri are major festivals in Punjab. Bhangra is a famous folk dance of Punjab. Eid and Muharram festivals are celebrated in Jammu Kashmir. Dashera is celebrated in a special way in Kulu of Himachal Pradesh. Holi is the major festival in Uttar Pradesh. Kathak is a well-known dance style of Uttar Pradesh. Besides, festivals like Shivratri, Ram Navami, Janmashtami, Dashera, Eid, Muharram, Christmas, etc. are more celebrated festivals. Fairs. Kulu's Dashera Fair is a well-known fair. In Punjab, a Martyrs' Fair is held. Kumbh Mela and Magh Mela are famous fairs of Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. In Uttarakhand, Kumbh and Ardh Kumbh fairs are famous. Lifestyle, South India.
So you have seen this video about the lifestyle, social life of the people of North India. So in especially North India, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Chandigarh lies states in North India. The staple food of the people of North India is wheat paste. यानी कि ऊपर पंजाब को जो है वो गेहूं का कोठार, वहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा भारत के गेहूं होते हैं, इसलिए उसको गेहूं का कोठार भी पंजाब को कहा जाता है. So the staple food of the people of North India is wheat paste. They also consume pulses, vegetable, fruits, clarified butter, ghee, milk, buttermilk, lassi. Sweetened buttermilk of Punjab is delight to the taste buds. Punjab is known as the land of 5 rivers. The people are sturdy and hardworking. Men and boys wear loose pants and slug with the colored shirts or t-shirt. Some males also wear kurta, pajama, jacket and Indian shirt pant outfit. Especially the Punjabis farmer. Many Punjabis, mainly Sikhs, wear the turbans on their heads. The women wear salwar kameez with bright colored dupattas. Jammu and Kashmir is famous for natural beauty since time immemorial and has been aptly described as heaven on the earth. जम्मू एंड कश्मीर को दुनिया का स्वर्ग कहा जाता है. Customs of Jammu and Kashmir are well known for their embroidery and intricate designs. The form of clothing is designed to counter the cold climate of the region. The traditional pattern, long tunics stretching up to their feet with full long sleeves, is the most popular from the dress among both men and women. They also wear Mughal type turbans, men, and headgear colored scarf, taranga worn by women on their heads. Variation is seen in their outfit due to the modernization. आधुनिकीकरण के कारण आज हमें ड्रेसेस में चेंजेस देखने को मिलते हैं. Most of the houses in North India have terraces are made of bricks, wood, stone and mud. The Dal Lake in Jammu and Kashmir is well known for its famed houseboats known as shikaras. शिकारे यानी कि पानी में एक बोट होती है, उसमें अब टहलने के लिए जाते हैं वो दाल लेक में काफ़ी वो फेमस है. Hindi is widely spoken in North India, but beside Hindi, Punjabi, Sindhi and Kashmiri language are also spoken. Local dialects such as Bhojpuri, Bihari are spoken in Uttar Pradesh. Festivals and fairs in northern India is celebrated with great favor. There are many famous festivals in northern India that are celebrated by the people. The Baisakhi festival of the Punjab is celebrated with great pomp by all. Bhangra, the folk dance of Punjab, is lively and liked by all. The Punjabi people dance Bhangra. Bhangra is a famous dance of Punjab. The folk song of Kashmir, devotional song of Uttar Pradesh and Punjab are well known. The nature of the people of North India, however, differs. While the Punjabis are lively and cheerful, and Kashmiris are quiet and poised. Jammu and Kashmir is known as the paradise on the earth for its amazing landscape and scenic beauty. The area is among the world's most beautiful places with the beautiful snow-covered mountains, green valleys and natural lakes. जम्मू और कश्मीर में बहुत सारी सुंदर चीज़ें हैं जिसमें सर्दी के मौसम में पूरा कश्मीर जो होता है वो स्नो से कवर्ड हो जाता है, उसकी ग्रीन वैलीज और उसके नेचुरल लेक्स है वो बहुत ही सुंदर दिखते हैं. जम्मू एंड कश्मीर इज़ बेस्टोवेड विद द breathtaking natural beauty that mesmerize anyone. One can see countless gardens with terrace lawns, cascading fountains, paint box bright flower beds with rare flower in state. Handicraft is the traditional industry of the state and has been a crucial importance. Some of the item industry are paper, match, wood carving, carpets, shawl making, embroidery, etc. Saffron is predominantly cultivated here. केसर की वहाँ पे खेती होती है और पेपर में वुड कार्विंग, कारपेट्स बनाना, शॉल बनाना, ये सब जम्मू और कश्मीर बहुत सारा फेमस है. उसमें कश्मीरी शॉल जो होती है वो काफ़ी फेमस है. वहाँ पे फ्रूट्स, काजू, बादाम, सेब बहुत सारे वहाँ पे उगाए जाते हैं. Agriculture and agri-related activities is the principal occupation of the most of the people of North India. यानी नॉर्थ इंडिया के लोगों का मुख्य व्यवसाय क्या है वो खेती होता है, एग्रीकल्चर होता है. Apart from agriculture, people are engaged in cottage and small industries too. Okay. Now till then I hope you understand from lifestyle of the North India and West India. Now we will see in the next video about the social life of the South India and East India.